energy, the specific heat of aluminum at room temperature can be estimated to be. So specific heat पूछा गया है. Okay, so as we know that specific heat is S. Okay, ये पूछा गया है. So how do you know that MST जो specific heat का formula है, that is M is delta T. This is the form of energy. These during the equation of energy, the total energy, that is MST, is equally distributed by all the degree of freedom. Okay, so हम लोग क्या जानते हैं that the kinetic energy, what it will be in case of gases, it will be 3/2 kT. ओके, क्योंकि एल्युमिनियम है, सो एल्युमिनियम कैसे फॉर्म में रहता है, Al2. ओके, सो इसका एक मॉलिक्यूल मतलब दो एटम से बना है, सो 3/2 kT इंटू 2. ओके, सो फ्रॉम हेयर अगर हम लोग फाइंड आउट करें दैट व्हाट विल बी द वैल्यू ऑफ S, so it will be ms delta T will be equal to 3 kT. Okay, so now what is the delta T? Delta T is equal to at final temperature and initial temperature, that is 0. Okay, so then it will be, so mst will be equal to 3 kT. So from here it will be ms will be equal to 3 k. So from here the specific heat will be 3 k by m. Okay, m कितना होगा एल्युमिनियम का? So the m, that mean here the mass of aluminum will be what? The molar mass of aluminum divided by Avogadro number, that is Na. Okay, so if we put the value here, what it will be? The molar mass is here 27. Here the atomic weight has been given 27. Okay, so the molar mass अगर convert हम लोग करें, that will be 10 to the power 23, and Avogadro number will be 6 into 0.6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so from here if we put the value, then what it will be? If we put the value, then it will be, now if we put the values, then it will be that it has not been provided the value of k. Okay, so we know the k is a constant, Boltzmann constant. इसका value कितना होता है, that is 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23. Okay, so if we put these values, then it will be 3 into 1 into 38 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by m. और m का वैल्यू इधर कितना है, this is the value of m. So if we put this, okay, so that will be what? That will be 27 into 10 to the power 3 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, इसको अगर हम लोग सॉल्व करें, so this will be what? This will be like this. This will be 3 into 1.38 into 10 to the power minus 23 divided by 27 into 10 to the power 3 into this will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay, so by calculation it will be equal to around 9 to 3 something. So our option will be 9 to 5. So our option will be, option D will be correct.